Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a mail haul where I'll be unboxing new releases and packages that I have received in PR. I do want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you guys for watching this and the fact that you guys support these type of videos on my channel. It just really means a lot to me, and a big thank you to each and every brand who is kind enough to send me packages and think of me when sending out PR. So I'm very excited to dive in, and the first package we're going to start with is actually from Colourpop. Alright, so I may or may not have opened this when it came in because I was so excited to see what it was, and it was actually their new foundation. Okay, so it says Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation is here. This skin perfecting medium to buildable coverage formula creates a healthy skin-like finish. Get coverage and hydration with the same good for you ingredients like hyaluronic acid for your healthiest looking skin ever. It says it is dermatologist tested, oil-free, vegan, and ideal for all skin types. So here is the little samples that they sent over. I feel like, does it say what pack? Okay, they sent me light to medium. So I'm gonna actually try the darkest one and see what that looks like, but I am really excited to try this out. Let me see if I can get it out. Oh, there we go. So here's the bottle that they sent over. So this one is medium 95N. You know what I have not had in a while that I need to stock up on? Colourpop concealer. It is so good. They also sent over a complexion blending sponge, which looks like this. All right, so let's go ahead and dab some of this on my hand. Oh, okay, so they actually have like a little stick here. I feel like this looks, well, maybe it does match. You guys, I have the hardest time with my foundation. I don't know why. Literally half of the colors that I have in my drawer do not match my face. It's like I have a weird undertone. And I feel like some of the ones that I have in my collection are like a warm tone, but then they look too orange, and then I'm not pink tone. I feel like I'm like super neutral, but I feel like I also have like a red undertone sometimes depending on like my skin. But yeah, I don't know, this could actually work. Or maybe I should order like a tan shade. I'm gonna actually try this and wear it for like a whole day, see how I like it, and then maybe order a couple shades. I do still need to do a get ready with me with new products. I have been testing some things out. So today I have on the NARS Orgasm X new eyeshadow palette. Thank you to Colourpop for that package. And then the next thing I have on is a package I got this week, and I opened it up because I didn't see the back that said Urban Decay, and I'm like, who is this package from? So this is their new Lash Freak Urban Decay mascara. It says unleash your freak, flake proof, smudge proof, and up to a 20-hour wear. And here's what it looks like, and here is the packaging. I don't have the mascara right here because it's at my vanity, but I don't know if you can see the packaging. This is the kind of one that it is, which I feel like I almost need two different mascaras. I have not worn fake lashes in forever, y'all. I used to feel so naked without them, and I'm trying to get to the point where like I don't feel super weird if I'm not wearing them, but it's so hard for me because I don't feel like any mascara really like curls my lashes up. This one did really good with like spreading them out and like thickening them, but I just need a little bit more. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite mascara, because I'm on the serious hunt. I used to love Too Faced, but I swear every time I wear it, I look like I have just like black lines underneath my eyes where it flakes off so bad. So I don't know, I feel like I need to switch some things up. And I was gonna ask you guys too, I used to rave all the time about the MAC Giga Black Lash Mascara, but then there was another one that I started using and I swore by it too, and I cannot for the life of me think of which one that was because I haven't wore like bottom lash mascara, like a dedicated one, in a while. So if y'all remember, please let me know, but drop below your favorite mascaras because I really need to try some out. All right, and I keep going like this because it has my address on it, but the next package came from Kate Somerville, and I have not opened this up, and I do not know, oh, there's the scissors. But yeah, I thought about ordering the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Mascara. I used to wear all the time, and I never had any issues with it, so I thought about ordering that. Oh, yay. This is a Kate Somerville acne treatment. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this, and I am completely out of it. So, oh my gosh, is this two? Yes, thank you so much to Kate Somerville for this package. Y'all have no idea how good this stuff is. So it's like a pink powder with like a white liquid on top. And what happens is when you're getting a bump or you have a bump on your face, you can literally, yes, put this on your skin at night, just like a little, I normally just take a Q-tip and dab it in and then just dab it on whatever the spot is, and it is like magic. It says this fast acting on the spot treatment helps to clear up blemishes and significantly reduces redness. Zinc oxide absorbs the excess sebum production, while sulfur quickly calms flare-ups and helps prevent future breakouts. I think this is so good, and it lasts for so long. I probably actually, okay, this one says it expires 4 of 2021, so that's like less than a year. I may have probably used mine a little bit longer than I should have. Another thing that they sent is this, and it had a little paper about it. Where did I put that? Here it is. It says Last Swab. Kate Somerville is excited to partner with Last Swab to ensure that you have the perfect eco-friendly tool to apply your treatment. It says over 1.5 billion Q-tips are produced every day, only to be thrown away after one use, often ending up on the beaches and the oceans. And so it says it's an innovative design that features a delicate yet precise soft tip, making it perfect for applying your spot treatment. The reusable swab can be easily cleaned with a hand soap and water, and it's biodegradable. So here's what it looks like, and it just says Last Swab on it. And you just push this button. I'm trying to figure out, it looks like it just slides. Why can I not figure this out? Y'all, why am I having such a hard time doing this? Okay, got it finally. Oh, okay, so this is actually pretty cool. So it actually looks like a Q-tip, except it almost feels like plasticky. And then it has one with like a little pointer. Okay, so here's that. Super neat, and this would be really good to take on vacation because it's like a little holder. So thank you so much to Kate Somerville for that package. The next package, which I have right here, it actually came from Iceland, and they sent over quite a few things. So the first thing they sent is a pure cloud cream with Arctic berries and peptides. Then we have the Iceland dissolving micro needle eye patches. This is really cool. I have not heard of these, but it looks like they have little like micro needles on them. We have the Hydra Cool Firming Eye Gels, the Cooling Daily Lotion, and then the last two things that they sent over is this Nordic Skin Peel and a Glacial Face Wash. So a big thank you to Iceland for that package. Okay, next we have boxycharm, and this is this month's box for July. Ooh, okay, so here's what it looks like when you open it up. And so the first thing that I see here is Grace and Stella. It says, it's like an energy drink for your eyes, eye mask. And the boxycharm box actually gets sent to me. I think it's around $20 or $25. You get 5 full-size products. But with this one, this alone is worth $21, and you get 12 different pairs. Then we have the 111 Skin, and this is a pollution defense booster. This actually retails for $135, which is so expensive and way more expensive than the whole box. Oh my gosh, and this is Hourglass. I did not know that we were gonna be getting Hourglass in here. So this is a brow micro sculpting pencil. It retails for $28. Let's see. Oh dang it, it's dark brunette. That will have to go in a giveaway. But I was really excited about that. Then we have a Decay Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. This is an eyeliner. So this retails for $21. And the very last product is the Pure Festival palette. So it has 12 different colors on it. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I mean, obviously I know why, you know, festivals are canceled, but I was so looking forward to like some country concerts and stuff this summer. So, all right, so this is the Pure Festival palette. Ooh la la. So here are the shades. And the black one looks like it's kind of crumbling, which is very disappointing because I think last month I had a eyeshadow that was in the boxycharm that crumbled too. So I don't know if it's like just the product is very, brittle, or you know what I mean. Sometimes when you have shimmers, I feel like they can crack a little bit easier. But a big thank you to boxycharm for sending that over. Okay, next package. I'm not sure what this is because it was in my P.O. box, but this is from Purpose and Beauty. Oh, it says, "Hey Danielle, we hope you enjoy our sheet mask. Share code Danielle Ray for 15% off. Stay safe." So this has a little bit of information. It says, "Purpose and Beauty started as a dream that turned into reality to create a skincare line. We are a gentle and effective, clean skincare brand. All of our formulas are crafted with purposeful ingredients that deliver effective treatment without irritating or harming the skin." So here is what the packaging looks like. And this is a rose gold cotton sheet mask. That sounds super awesome. And here's what it looks like. So it says it has 24K gold flakes, rose oil, collagen, and hyaluronic acid. It is formulated without paraben, sulfate, silicones, and some other stuff that I cannot pronounce. And again, this is a face mask, so a big thank you to Purpose and Beauty for that package. So next thing we have is the Allure Beauty box. Ooh la la. Okay, so first thing I see here is Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. We have the OC Ocean Cleanser, a Butter Lip and Cheek Balm from Beautino Beauty, I believe is how you pronounce that. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. We have a Calming Gel Cream. And then lastly, we have this Charcoal Pore Care Mask. So thank you, Allure Beauty, for that package. I feel like I'm going 100 miles an hour. It's because I'm filming later at night than I'm used to. And I feel like I got so super hyped because I was filming my back to school giveaway and I was so excited. But now I feel like I'm talking 100 miles an hour. So sorry if this video seems kind of fast paced. We next have from Derma E. Sometimes I go to open packages and I forget that sometimes people tape the sides of them. And I always just go for the front and think it's open. Ooh la la. Okay, so this is actually quite a bit of things in here. It says Smooth and Bright. So we have, oh no. I think it leaked out in the box. Yes, it did. This is a anti-wrinkle cleanser. We have the Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. Their anti-wrinkle eye cream. And lastly, we have their overnight peel. So thank you so much to Derma E for sending these over. I can't wait to try them out. All right, you guys, the very last package is from Kokie Cosmetics. Where is my scissors? I keep losing them. My poor nails are gonna be tore to shreds. Okay, ooh, says Danielle, we hope you love our latest release. Ooh, matte bronzers. I will say this, you guys, I had a palette, I believe it was from Kokie. It looked very similar to a Kat Von D, like the Shade and Light palette, and I actually liked it more. So they have very, very nice products at a really great price because they are a drugstore brand. And I love how they package these. They literally, trying to put these to the side, wrap them up like a present. Ooh, so you have 4 different shades. So this is the first shade of the bronzer, and this is called Sunlit Peach. This one looks a little bit peachy for me, hence the name. Then we have Stay Golden. Oh yeah, that looks like a really nice color. Then we have Heart Wave. Ooh, which is a much darker shade. Okay, very last one is called Soul Tan. So there's that one. That one's definitely the darkest. So I'm gonna try this one out and swatch it for you guys because like I said, I have a bronzer or like a contour palette that they came out with and I loved it. So I'm very hopeful this will be a good new bronze shade for me. Oh yeah, it's so creamy, you guys. And again, I'm not sure how much these retail for, but there that is swatched. All right, let's look up their bronzers and see. Okay, it is $7.99 from what I can see. So again, very affordable, and I would definitely recommend checking them out. I haven't used that bronzer, but I know I've used their powder formula before and really liked it. So maybe that will be in a review here soon. But anyways, I love you guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing. Thank you as always for your love and support. I hope you're having an amazing week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.